guy. He was a philosopher, writer, and a politician that he participated in a lot of agreements in the independence of Mexico.
Good morning from Monterrey. So we are on our way to our walking tour. Usually we like to do our walking tour the first day we get here, that we get a whole lay of the land and learn a little bit more about the city that way when we're walking around our own we have a little head start, we kind of know a little about it. But they didn't have a walking tour yesterday, so today.
So we're doing one today. So this company, I think it's a smaller company, they only have walking tours on weekends. So Saturdays is at 9 a.m. and their Sunday tour is at 6 p.m. because every Sunday they have like this street market where you can go like shop and stuff with like the crafty makers. So but we'll find out tomorrow, so we won't be able to do that tour. So we're doing a 9 a.m. tour this morning, and so from what I read is that the tour will take us through 30 different sites. Sounds like a lot, but it's probably just like small sites. So I'm really excited. It's gonna be a 2-hour tour, just like all the other free walking tours that we always do. And yeah, I'm really excited to learn more about Monterrey.
Yep.
Because you know, Monterrey is not a very touristy spot. It's not like a, hey, we're going to Monterrey. So it's just, you know, it'd be kind of nice to just kind of have a better understanding of, you know, how the city came about, I guess, right?
Yeah. If you want to go to a Mexican city but not be like catered to as a tourist, this is the city to go to.
Yeah, no one speaks English here. No one.
Yeah, rarely anyone speaks English. There's no like tourist friendly zones. It's just like you're in a normal city with normal people.
Yeah, you just get up in there, and it's pretty rough. It's been a little bit rough with the,
a lot of
language barrier, but we got our apps now, and it'll get better.
Ordered coffee this morning.
Yes, so Starbucks back home opens at like 5, 6 a.m. Not here. It's like 8:30 and they're still not open.
Yeah.
So, but luckily, Oxxo, right by Starbucks, they have a barista. So we got some. We did end up getting some Americano there. So I'm excited about that. Yeah. It's supposed to rain today.
Yeah.
Chances are pretty high. Like once we hit 11 a.m. into the afternoon, hopefully it'll stop by late afternoon because we have dinner reservations. It's just someplace, I don't know where, but
it's fancy. It's gonna be romantic.
Oh yeah, in our shorts and tank top.
Well, we'll probably have to change.
Super fancy. But yeah, we're excited about that. And it's a clear day right now.
It's really nice right now.
You can see the details of the mountains here. It's amazing. It's like being in Denver or something. Yeah, like the city right by the Rocky Mountain, you know? Really pretty. Oh yeah. Headed. Cheers.
One of the most oldest historical sites areas here in Monterrey. This is the historical center of Monterrey, and it's called Barrio Antiguo. In English, it's like, and the owners can change or make over the houses or the locals, but inside of this building you can find 4 exhibition halls, and on the first floor and on the second floor you can find an auditorium. So this place is to exhibit the contemporary art, but in a local range. They are more local than the other museums. is the North Peak. It rises there 18 and 20 meters.
Finished our walking tour. It's about 2 hours long. It's a lot of walking. It's a lot of sights to see, but it was fun. It was informative. Got to learn a lot about the city. The last stop is the most important museum. It's the Museum de Dulce, the candy museum.
They have a candy museum. So Monterrey has tons of museums. So in our last videos, when we were in Puebla, they have tons of churches. In Monterrey, tons of museums. Yeah. Museum for everything.
And a lot of the museums are free. So if you like going to museums, check in on that and see which ones.
Even the ones that you pay though are not.
Yeah, I think the most expensive one is,
I think 60 pesos is one of them.
Yeah, it's like $3, $4. And yeah, we'll put the link in the description for the walking tour.
The walking tour, yeah, it was our guide was Clarissa. She started the walking tour July of last year, I believe, 2017, and she's been doing it mostly by herself. But she has I think she has a friend that helps her out. But yeah, she's born and raised here in Monterrey, so she's very knowledgeable and
tours in Spanish and English.
Yeah, and her English is pretty good. Yeah. So yeah, definitely, if you guys ever come out to Monterrey, hit her up on Facebook, message her, let her know you're gonna come out and set up a tour with her. Yep. She did a really great job.
She'll tell you all the historical parts, and also she'll tell you like what restaurants and bars to go to.
Yes, so she did recommend a couple of places to eat and bars to hit up, and how to get to the what is it called?
La Serra de Sia?
No, the other mountain.
La Serra de Sia?
The waterfall.
Cola de Caballo? Yeah, that's where we're going tomorrow. So she helped us. She spoke to one of the it was at one of the government buildings, like the tourism department. So she talked to them, and I got information for us to get a tour tomorrow.
It's still early. It's about like 11 a.m. and we're gonna hit up a restaurant that she recommended called El Rey Del Cabrito.
El Rey Del Cabrito.
Yeah, so I guess that's one of the main cuisines out here is the cabrito, which is goat, young goat. We're gonna go check it out right now. Yep.
So outside, the clouds are just rolling in, but we made it inside. It's not raining yet, and we are experiencing the local Monterrey cuisine. So there's cabrito here, which is the baby goat or young goat, and then some carne asada. So they're known for both things. And luckily they have a mixed plate here, so you can get a little bit of each. So we're gonna try it out. We also got the beans with the sauce. They gave to us like on the house, and then we ordered a side of guacamole, which was giant. It was way bigger than we were expecting. Try the carne asada first. It's really good. I'm just gonna get like by itself just to taste it, but there's also tortillas and sauces and a bunch of stuff here to put with it. But I want to try the meat on its own first. It goes really good. It's a different taste. It's more fatty, like almost like pork, but more gamey. It's really good. It's different, but it's very good.